Hello all. If you're following my video, so in the last video we have seen that how to take backup of Azure virtual machine. So in this video we will see how to restore the virtual machine with that snapshot or backup we have taken. So let's go to portal, and this is the virtual machine for which we have taken that backup in the previous video, and now we need to restore it. So we need to go recovery service vault. Also, before going to that, we also need one storage account in this process. So I have created one storage account with the name of storage 2512, right? So let's go to recovery service vault now. In recovery service vault, this was our vault where we have taken the backup. Go to dashboard, Azure virtual machine. Last time we took this application consistent backup, and now we need to restore the virtual machine. We can restore file only if you want to restore one file only. We can also do that, but let's first see how to restore VM. So click on restore VM. We want to create new VM. We want to replace the existing one as well, but we don't want that. We want to create new VM, so leave it as it is. Enter the VM name which you want to give. Put it VM1. Resource group was recovery, wherever our vault is, and the virtual network is, we can select test vnet. Subnet is, let it be default. Select an option storage, which the account which we created. This is the one. Restore. It says validation failed. User error, restore operation in progress. Unable to initiate restore as another restore operation is currently in progress. Restore operation is completed. Okay, because I tried this restore point, and I think that operation is still going on, so it is not allowing me to restore at this time. So let's see which restore operation is going on. So if you go to your vault and if you go to the backup jobs, it says completed with warnings. It should actually accept that, but let's see if we can delete it. You can't cancel or we can't delete it, but it says completed with warnings. Okay, let's again try to restore. Because it now says completed, so it should let us restore it now. Create new virtual machine, VM1. Give a select option for virtual networks, VNet, standard. Okay, so now it is allowing because it was saying that the previous backup restore is completed. So now the backup is restore is triggered. It will take some time, right? So until then, we can stop the video and then we'll resume back. Okay, so let's see if restoration is completed now. So to check whether it is completed or not, we have to go to the vault, and the vault we can go to backup jobs. The backup jobs, we can see here it is showing as completed. All right. So now we should see, because we created a new VM. So we can see that VM1 is created. We have given that name, right? So let's try to connect with this VM to see if that is working fine or not. If you remember, uh, in the beginning of this video, I have shown that we have also created one test folder on the desktop. So we should be able to see the test folder there in this new restored VM. So let's open it. Put the same username password which we used to put that in the original VM. I put the wrong password here. Okay, so it is trying to launch now. Okay, so we are successfully able to log in and we can see that our test folder is also there, which means that it is successfully restored, right? So this is how we can restore the VM from the backup